In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete multiple images in Grok Imagine. Let's get your workspace cleaned up quickly and confidently. You'll see how to find your images, narrow the view to the ones you care about, and remove them. The same simple action works for each image, so once you've done it once, you can repeat it to clear as many as you need. Start by opening Grok in your browser. From the main screen, look to the bottom left corner and click the profile icon. This opens your account panel and gives you access to your personal content and settings. In that panel, choose Files. The Files page is your library, showing everything you've uploaded or generated. If you're managing a lot of content, this is where a quick bit of preparation will save time. At the top of the Files view, use Sort or Filter to bring the right images into focus. Sorting helps you reorder what you see, such as moving the most recent items to the top. Filtering lets you narrow by criteria like file type or other available attributes, trimming the list so you're not scrolling through content you plan to keep. Take a moment to set these controls so the images you want to remove are grouped together. If the list feels too broad or too narrow, adjust Sort or Filter until it matches your goal. Now, hover your mouse over the first image you want to delete. When you hover, a small delete icon, typically a trash can, appears on the image card. Click that delete icon. A confirmation window will pop up to prevent accidental removal. Review the thumbnail and label shown there, then click Delete to confirm. This action removes the image from your Files view. To delete multiple images, simply repeat that same hover, click, and confirm sequence for each image you want to remove. Working down a filtered list makes this go much faster, because the items you've targeted are already grouped together. If the delete icon doesn't appear right away, move your cursor slightly toward the corner of the image card until it shows. If you realize your filters hid something you meant to remove, clear or adjust the filters and continue. When you're finished, glance over the Files page to ensure only the images you want to keep remain. That's it. By opening Files, using Sort or Filter to narrow your view, hovering each unwanted image, clicking the delete icon, and confirming delete, you can efficiently clear multiple images from Grok Imagine without missing anything important.